name is Manakova Ksenia. I'm the director of Ufology World Congress, and today with me Ana Merlino. She will have her workshop at our Ufology World Congress. Hello, Anna.
Hello, Ksenia. A pleasure to be here with you.
Thank you. For us, it's also a great pleasure to see you here with us. Please, Anna, tell us more about your workshop. What will you teach our attenders?
So what I would teach in this workshop is the law of attraction, but in a very practical way. So step by step, because we hear a lot about law of attraction, but it seems to be like something like magical. That's something that only a few people are able to reach. But in this case, I'm going to split all the steps so that anyone in the audience can follow those steps and bring the law of attraction as a practice in the day-to-day life.
And what is in general law of attraction? What we can attract or how?
So what law of attraction is it's like the main idea is that conscious and unconscious thoughts attract things to your life. So this means that energy of your thoughts become matter. So that's why you have to be very careful of your thoughts, because they will become reality.
You mean like if I want something, I wish something, if I will think about it, I will attract it to me, to my life?
It's not as simple, although that's the first step, but you have to combine that with a lot of emotion and believing that thought, and also allowing that to come to you. Because sometimes in our conscious, we want something, we wish something, and we ask for it in a very good way, but then our unconscious does not allow it, because our unconscious beliefs say that if you really get that, then your old patterns are going to be jeopardized.
So like we need to be prepared for this.
Yes, you have to open yourself and allow yourself to get your dreams.
And I can wish and dream whatever I want?
Whatever you want.
Material stuff, non-material.
Whatever you want.
That sounds very, very interesting.
Yeah.
There was like start to visualize something, think
Yes.
about more, wish. Maybe sometimes people put some pictures on the walls.
Yes, a vision board. Yeah, that also helps a lot. But also, very important, I underline, you have to feel it. It's not only about thinking, it's about feeling what you think at the same time.
And how you started your teaching, your way?
Oh, that was like a long time ago. I think like since I'm a child, I always had this drag to help people and to make people feel that they belong to a certain system. That was like very natural with me. So I studied psychology, and then a friend of mine said, Anna, you have to study coaching, because that is like basically you. Like there is like a profession that is you. It's how you deal with life. So I started studying coaching, and then now I have my own international coaching school where I teach coaching, but in reality, what I teach is law of attraction in a very practical way that you can apply inside organizations and also in your personal life.
And do you have some unusual cases during your practice? Something interesting, unique?
I mean, I had like a client. I always talk about this client because he was like amazing. He tried everything. He did every retreat, like every program, like every kind of therapy. And he went to me like, already like this is like a friend of him paid the session for him. So he was just like, okay, I'll do this just for my friend. And he didn't believe at all. And after the session, he sent me a voice message saying, Anna, I thought the session was crap. But I have to say that after our session in 2 hours, I got 5 calls for job interviews. And that didn't happen like in months. So in the next hour that happened. So he was like, I actually believe that there was something happening. So that's I think that the most impacting case I had, like 5 calls in 1 hour. So it really does something. When you change your thought, you change your vibration, things outside you change. So you can do so much to change your reality by just focusing your attention in different kind of thoughts.
This sounds really amazing that this man tried a lot of stuff, and like your course was for him like, okay, I'll do
Whatever.
it. One more, one less, okay.
Yeah.
But it's dramatically changed his life.
Yes.
This is amazing. I think it is the main case that your workshop is almost sold out.
Yes, surprise for me as well. So yeah, I don't know if you have a waiting list, maybe for people.
Yes, all people can enroll, but on the Congress we will see if we have enough space for waiting list or no.
Okay, I'm so excited already.
Yes. It's soon, like 10 weeks left.
Yes.
And Anna, tell us, please, what do you think about the global disclosure?
So what I think is that more and more there are people that are getting interested and more open to think in a different way, and that all patterns are, contrasting more with the new paradigms and the new patterns that are willing to shift, So I think it's kind of amazing that so many people from all over the world like gather together and bring this up and share and normalize it in a way.
Yes, I think nowadays it's the most important to develop your spiritual part.
Yes, absolutely. We are also spirits, so absolutely agree. Yeah.
Thank you, Anna, for attending our interview.
Of course, thank you so much, Ksenia, and looking forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.
And we invite you to join us this September at our the Ufology World Congress. And don't forget to join the waiting list for Ana Merlino workshop.